rangatanga side of TKP is actually quite a fun time because they actually play this little game where you have to find different people that have done certain things. So some are performed on a matatini stage, others are full licenses, which I know a lot of you don't have. And another one is just like, has anyone got a tattoo or tāmoko? So you get to learn new people's names and associate those names with certain things that they've done. Takes away the daunting task of like having to go and meet someone new.
Yeah.
So TKP can definitely help you meet new people. Most definitely, guys. You never know. Just make sure they're not related. Know your whakapapa. Oh. Know your whewhia.